Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for helping me get to the 1500 mark. I appreciate it. Please share my videos. Let me get to the 2000. I'd absolutely be stoked. This episode, I have already started the teardown on the Flathead. Things are going pretty good. I'm going to run the clip of where I'm at so far with that. There is a few new things in the shed. I'm just putting up some new workshop lights. I'm super stoked about this because, yeah, I can actually finally get to see some stuff. There's a few little shadows here and there I'm not overly happy about, but I think we're going to work around that. I do have a brand new welder. That's going to be coming up soon as well. Again, we've got some amazing engine upgrades for the Flathead that I'd love to show you as well. That's coming into a little bit of a clip soon. Let's get these lights on. Let's carry on with getting the block out. We are pulling the block out in this one as well. I'm going to be making up some sort of stand for that. Yeah, let's get into it. I appreciate it again, guys. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's going to be a bit of a mix of everything, what's new, what's coming in. There is a whole bunch of parts here from the Flathead, the top end. Yeah, we're going to go through a few things. It's going to be quite an interesting video, this one. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. These are from Outlaw Speed Shop, just online. Spark plug leads, new leads for the Flathead, and the color choice I am super happy with. Definitely a nice look. That's gonna look killer. New water pumps, more boxes, nice more boxes. That's cool. They do even have a Bob Drake logo impression cast in there. That's pretty neat. I like that. Nice free flowing pulley on that water pump. Looks good. Gonna look way better on there. Very flash. Got some ingredients. How to mix it all up. Yeah, they look mint. I'm loving it. They look so good. Try this out. New heads, they look insane. I'm happy. Super happy with those. They look good. I'm yet to think about painting them yet. Don't think I will. I think I like that raw look. All right, what's going on top of this engine? Let's bring out that first, and we'll set up the rest. There it is. Yeah, it's a little bit tilted. It is a triple juice flathead intake manifold. So obviously with this triple intake manifold, we need triple carbs. That is going to look absolutely mint. Yeah, like it. Okay, well, it's time to move on from the block. The block is at a point where I've ordered a few new parts and I'm going to get all those parts ready to go before I can do any more on that block. Clutch looks pretty good. The flywheel, we're going to take the ring gear out. I've ordered a new one of those. That's going to go in. One of the pistons does need to come out. I'm going to try and get some new rings for that one. But yeah, we are going to move on. As you can see, I have bought a drop axle for this thing. I've ordered some new suspension gear for that. I need to get those wishbones out and we're going to split them, which is going to be awesome fun. and exciting to a point. Yeah, let's get into it. I appreciate you guys watching the channel. Please hit the subscribe button, share the video, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Please stay tuned. There's a lot more to do.